southwestern Franklin County in west central Arkansas, southeastern Crawford County in northwestern Arkansas, Sebastian County in west central Arkansas, eastern Lafleur County in southeastern Oklahoma, until 7:45 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 7:01 p.m. Central Standard Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 2 miles southeast of Panama to 3 miles northeast of Howe to 6 miles southwest of Evener, moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations in or near the path include Fort Smith, Poteau, Charleston, Greenwood, Barling, Hacola, Keesner, Lavaca, Spiro, Arcoma, Mulberry, Panama, Hackett, Howe, Anza, Branch, Midland, Cameron. This includes Interstate 540 between mile markers 8 and 14. The main alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop
Whoa!
severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure.